Hello students, this is Subhan sir. Today we will start exercise 4.2. Which one of the following option is true and why? Y equal to 3x plus 5 has unique solution, or only two solutions, or infinitely many solution. So we have to see whether this equation has unique solution, two solutions, or infinitely many solution. Let me tell you the meaning of these three terms. Unique solution, that means one and only one solution. If a equation, linear equation, is having one and only one solution, then it is said to have a unique solution. Suppose there are two solutions, then we will say the equation has two solutions. Suppose infinitely many solutions, that means there are uncountable number of solutions that we cannot count the number of solutions. So first of all, let me check y equal to 3x plus 5. So the correct answer will be third point, infinitely many solutions. So the answer is y equal to 3x plus 5 has infinitely many solutions because for every value of x, there will be a different value of y. That is, suppose if we put x is equal to 0 over here, then y will be equal to 5. Okay, that means the solution is 0 comma 5. Okay, similarly, if we put x equal to 1, y will be equal to 3 multiply 1 plus 5, that is 3 plus 5 8. Okay, 3 into 1 is 3, 3 plus 5 8. That means the solution is 1 comma 8. Thus the solution is 1 comma 8. So in this way we can proceed and we can take as much values as we want. That means there are infinitely many solutions of the linear equation given to us. Now question number 2. Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. First one, 2x plus y equal to 7. So we have to write its 4 solution. So these are the easiest questions, I can say. You just need to convert this equation in the form of so that you can easily find the solution. See, 2x plus y is equal to 7 is given to us. You can write this equation as y equal to 7 minus 2x. How? 2x will go towards the right hand side. The equation will become y equal to 7 minus 2x. Okay, now we can put any value of x and we can easily calculate the value of y. For every value of x, there will be a value of y. So if x is equal to 0, then y will be equal to 7 minus 2 multiply with 0. That is y equal to 7. So the solution is 0 comma 7. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 7 minus 2 multiply with 1. Okay, instead of x I will write 1 over here. So 7 minus 2 into 1 is 2. 7 minus 2 is what? 5. So the solution is 1 comma 5. 1 comma 5. In this way, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7 minus 2 multiply with 2. Okay, instead of x we will write here 2. So 7 minus 2 to the 4. 7 minus 4, that is 3. So the solution is 2 comma 3. the solution is 2, 3. Solution is 2, 3. Okay, 7 minus 2 multiply with 2, that is 7 minus 4, it is equal to 3. So the solution is 2, 3. One more solution we can calculate. If x is equal to 3, y will be equal to 7 minus 2 multiply with 3, that is 7 minus 2 3 is 6, 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So the value of y is equal to 1. So the solution is 3, 1. Solution will be 3, 1. That is the required solution. So these are the 4 solutions of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 7. Second question, pi x plus y is equal to 9. Pi x plus y is equal to 9, and we have to find the 4 solution of this equation. So this equation can also be written as y equal to 9 minus pi x. Pi x will go towards the right hand side. So y is equal to 9 minus pi x. Y equal to 9 minus pi x. Now we will put the values in this equation. So if x is equal to 0, y equal to 9, so the solution will become 0, 9. Okay, if x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 9 minus pi multiply with 1, that is 9 minus pi. So the solution is 1, 9 minus pi. In this way, if x is equal to 2, then y will be equal to 9 minus pi multiply with 2, that is 9 minus 2 pi. So the solution will be 2, 9 minus 2 pi. Thus the solution is 9 minus 2 pi, 2, 9 minus 2 pi. In this way, if x is equal to 3, y will be equal to 9 minus pi into 3, that is 9 minus 3 pi. So the coordinates will be what? 3, 9 minus 3 pi. So in this way we can calculate as many solution of the equation. Third point, x equal to 4y. Okay, so this equation can be converted as y equal to x upon 4. Okay, 4 will go to the denominator, so y equal to x upon 4. Now put the values. If x is equal to 0, then y is also 0. Okay, x equal to 0, so y equal to 0 upon 4, that means 0. So the coordinates are, the solution is 0, 0. Okay, and if x is equal to 1, then y will be equal to 1 upon 4. Thus the solution is 1, 1 upon 4. In the same way, if x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 2 upon 4. That is 1 upon 2. So the solution is 2, 1 upon 2. Okay, 3 solutions we have calculated. Now the last one, if x is equal to 3, y will be equal to 3 upon 4. Okay, just put the value of x in this equation. Instead of x we will write here 3 upon 4. So y equal to 3 upon 4. Thus the solution is 3, 3 upon 4. So in this way you can solve this questions easily. Some more questions I will give you as a homework, and complete your copies as soon as possible. Thank you.